Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to ODRA operator training. Today, we'll cover the routine maintenance and cleaning tasks operators are responsible for at the end of each shift. Let me show you on the MT4H some of the cleaning procedures that also apply to the MS5H. So one of the things that we're going to focus on is cleaning out the hopper, elevator, and the sweep gear. We're also going to pay attention to our radiator and our hydraulic cooler. We want to make sure that both of those are free and clear at the end of the day of any debris that's been built up. We also want to pay special attention to our hopper hinge point, and we want to wash our elevator out of any material that can dry and collect, harden up inside, and will be hard to remove at a later date. So we want to get our power washer out, and we're going to clean all those components. So here on the MT4H, and this also applies on the MS5H, I'm going to show you the 6 daily grease zerks. So those need to be greased after 10 hours of operation. So at the end of the day, let me show you where these are. Our top grease zerk, this is at the top of the elevator. So we're going to grease that one. The bottom of the elevator, we have a grease zerk right here. And then the third one on this side is the rear main broom bearing. It's a mirror image of the other side, and this is something we want to do every day to make sure that we get the most life out of our elevator and our rear main broom bearings. On the winterization, if you're done and maybe it's cold climate that you're operating in, that procedure we also have a separate module on, but just a recap for you, for your convenience, you would drain the water tank out with just a little bit of residual left in there. You would add a couple gallons of RV antifreeze or maybe even windshield washer fluid, and then you would engage the water spray pump so that we would run that water all through the lines until you see some come out, and then that would effectively get your sweeper winterized. And then at the end of this, we've got our maintenance chart, our checklist that we can refer to for our daily inspections. This will conclude Module 6, Operator Maintenance and Cleaning.